We're replacing a coil today, and we had the coil for about a week now, week and a half, Dad?
Yeah.
Give or take, but we couldn't get the pan out. So the pan was all rusted on there, all the screws. And it took about a week and a half, but we finally got the pan. Now we're gonna put that sucker in. Awesome pan unboxing.
Sometimes, you know, you just think to yourself, for the price of this, I could just buy a whole new air handler.
Yeah.
But it's, you know, since this is under warranty, couldn't do it that way. Okay.
Like a glove and a half. My leg fell asleep and now I got a bunch of prickles in my foot.
Look at that.
The hose that you have on it, which hose do you have on it?
The yellow from the gauges. I mean, I just took the hose off and it's barely blowing.
Well, then maybe it's empty. Okay, I'm still good. Go ahead and pull a vacuum on it.
All right.
Word of advice?
Yeah.
Don't fart up here. I just did, and it's gonna linger for a while.
What was it the guy said did that in the office one day? He says, it's perfectly natural, perfectly natural. The guy says, I didn't do it. He goes, it's still perfectly natural.
I'm just a little AC guy hanging out in the attic. We're just hanging out up here, big little mice.
Hey.
See, when I tested it, I knew the leak was not in here, so I closed it. I had nitrogen in here, but I closed it so that I could put like 1,000 pounds pressure. I put like 500 in there. But, so now it's just going to take about another.
You sure the leak the soldering upstairs is good?
Positive.
Alright.
They live, you don't think about it, but this whole area here is nothing but swamp. They just brought in a bunch of dirt.
Yeah, it really is swamp. I mean, it's just swamp area.
What are you looking at?
I'm watching the gauges.
Are they going up?
No.
Good.
Yeah, and you know what? Some of these people, they don't understand. They think because they live on a golf course and they live out here, and it all looks all pretty. You still have saltwater air. You know, I mean, it's the. You may not even get salt water up here, but it's in the air. It's just little salt water in there. Just a little AC guy standing in the bushes. I gotta look at my face. I'm not peeing. I'm not pissing. I'm not doing anything standing over here. I'm not trying to fix this machine. I sure hope someone doesn't come check us up. I sure hope this thing runs. Did you see the look on that guy's face when I said that to you? I can't remember what house we were at, but I was like, okay, if anything blows up, call the fire department.
And did he take it serious?
Yeah, he took it. He was like, oh, it's that mini split system we were doing over there.
Oh, right.
All right, so this is a 2-ton. You can't read anything off of this, but on average, it's 2 pounds per ton. So we're going to start off with
Around 4 to 5 pounds. Do you want me to turn it on? So gas can go through the system?
what? I'm just turning on the tank. No, we're weighing it in right now, so we got to get some in there. 4 pounds is where we're going to start.
Okay.
It's cold, and because it's cold, the pressure is relative, so it's not going to be like sometimes in the hot months you got to put your tanks in cold water if you're recovering. Well, the reverse is true during the winter months. All right, so there's our 4 pounds. This is where we're going to get our start. All right, you can go turn it on.
Okay.
All right.
There we go. Alright, well, damn, start the truck. More hot in here than I was in that attic.
You know, this is the fellow who gave us all those Wagyu steaks.
Yeah?
Yeah, I mean, back when the hurricane came.
That's cool.